When ChatGPT was originally released, it was free during what was referred to as the research preview period. The chatbot is currently open for users to try out and then to provide feedback on the responses. And this is all part of a reinforcement learning process, allowing the AI to become better at answering questions and to learn from its mistakes. Now, you can access ChatGPT from either the OpenAI homepage or their blog post for the announcement, which you see right here, or even from within the playground if you already have an OpenAI account. In order to access, you'll first need to sign up. You can create an account with an email and a password, or use either your Google or Microsoft account logins. And once you verify your email, you'll then be able to gain access. In February of 2023, OpenAI announced the release of a new subscription plan that they call ChatGPT PLUS. They referred to this as a pilot, and initial pricing will be at $20 a month. The Plus version is rolling out in phases, with the first invitations going out to users in the United States. So once it's available for your account, you will be notified. Now, you'll first need to have an active account and sign up for their waitlist, and you can find the link to the waitlist on the announcement that you'll find on the OpenAI.com blog. The Plus version promises to provide you with general access even during peak times, which is a big deal versus the free version, and also faster response times, as well as priority access to new features and improvements. The free version is currently still available, and OpenAI appears to indicate that it will stay that way. Gaining access to either the free or Plus version of ChatGPT is easy and only takes a few minutes.